Mga kaibigan, once again, I am here to be with you, but I am not an expert in the first place to say about this, to discuss about this, but there is a lot of the lawyers, the expert out there. I am not one of those people that you need, but there is a lot of questions that they are going to be answered right now because I am here to discussing even because there is a lot of people out there which is one of our followers, because we have a lot of the Facebook pages, the YouTube channel, and many others, mga kaibigan, especially here in our TikTok. For your informations, if you don't have to follow here in our TikTok channel, I encourage you to follow if you like it, and also follow in our Facebook page, and also in our YouTube channel, in our Celebi, in our Instagram. So thank you so much, because three channel in our YouTube was deleted by the NTC. I do not know what was the reasons all about. Mga kaibigan, for your informations that I would like to answer this in the very quickly and the very stick to the time, because there is a lot of expert out there. I am not one of those people who are to giving you an concrete idea about this, because it is the very crucial in nature, because it is involved in the procedural of law. So when we say law, it is a broad, and it is broad. There is many law out there, mga kaibigan. But about your questions, about the arrest and many others, we don't have right to arrest a person without due process of law, without the prior complaint and the warrant, and about that. But we have a citizen's arrest that is provided in our revised rules of the criminal procedure, and also to arrest the persons without warrant. There is a provided about that. Even to asking about the lawyers out there. And also when we say about this is very crucial in nature, it is very limited for me to answer about this, raising questions about from our followers, that I am here. Administrative arrest, it's purely it is applied only to the when we say these questions also you can see in many investigations in the Senate. You are racist once again, that you can taste my listening of that kinds, but I am so limited about this. Administrative arrest is purely applied to, for me, is purely applied to the foreigners or the alien here in the country for the deportation proceeding. That is all about the administrative arrest. But before it turn over to their own countries, mga kaibigan, it is should be established first into the RTC, which is our regional trial court, to defend the rights of the persons by the transparency in the due process of law. Not only our constitutions, but in the declarations of the human rights in the whole world, mga kaibigan. And also, before it turn over, and then the RTC or the court itself will given a there is a parang commitment order about that, if I'm not mistaken, no, mga kaibigan. Thank you so much to all of you, and that is all about that. For me, that's only one thing is necessary here in our country, that we are referring us for those any types of the arrest here will be based in our rights here in our Philippine constitutions, which is the Philippine constitutions here in the country was very which is called the supreme law of the land. Because Constitution, mga kaibigan, it is all about fundamental laws of the land. At the same time, it is a pillars of the law of the country. Without a constitution, the country it's become nothing and useless. So that is all about the constitutional given. So that's why we have a public servant and the government for almost 500 to 600 agencies in the government. That is what's mandated by the Philippine Constitutions. But there are two in public servant was considered appointed by law and also elected by law. Who are those elected by law in the constitutions under of the COMELEC, which is our politicians, which is considered the most corrupt, mga kaibigan. And also we have appointed by law. That is all about the forces, the Philippine Army, the police, and many others out there, the court judges and many others. That was appointed by law based on my readings, based on the procedure and the protocols of law, mga kaibigan. So that's why we don't have any arguments about that. And also to answer these types of questions, mga kaibigan, the duties and responsibility of the public servant, there is no other than the duty and responsibility of the public servant, mga kaibigan, only to be an honest and loyal to our Philippine constitutions and upholding and uplift in our Philippine constitutions to maintain the rights of an individuals, not be abused by others, and no one can be above by the law. That is the duties and responsibility of all public employees in this government as the tools of the government, mga kaibigan. And also, it is considered, and to the questions also that I need to be answered here, the duties and responsibility, it's all about the things that we need on this universe. Even we have protocols and the law should be followed from our home, mga kaibigan. We need to follow also the divine creation law and also the law of the land. Because if you get committed crimes against our state, the law of the land that we will convict you anytime if there is a formal complaint with in the court that maybe we file against you. So there is no other than to faces the consequences only to answer with that consequences is you. It's our if we receive that kinds of violations, mga kaibigan. So that's why we need to answer about that in deference and very so limited, mga kaibigan. But I am here, I am not an expert. I'm very sorry. I am so have a limited idea. I am not one of those expert to giving you a concrete idea. Just go to a lawyer out there and the expert and go to maybe the judges of the court, go to the prosecutor in the fiscal office, the judge of the MTC, the judge of the Court of Appeals, the judges of the Supreme Court, and many others. So thank you so much, mga kaibigan, for that questions that you are raising and asking about that. But even though I am not an expert here, but I need to be answered because I am here in the social media. So even my wife, very supported in me about this. But for me, I'm very so limited idea. Yo!